Hi everyone, it's Mitchell Ram with the Ram Real Estate Group at Coldwell Banker, and today we're at Greenshire Commons, a desirable neighborhood with easy highway access, close to all conveniences, but most importantly, I'm excited to show you our new listing. Let's go up the street. 5021 Greenshire. This is a pristine 4-bedroom. It actually used to be the builder's model home. Tricked out from top to bottom, high-end finishes, open concept. As excited as I am to tell you about it, I would really like you to see it. Let's check it out. For more information or to schedule a showing, please contact me at 513-703-7774 and make sure to follow us on social media at the Ram Real Estate Group.